guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video right now. If you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel. With that being said, let's get into the main part of it. Title, you know it already. It's about a coffee bean, which is actually a soap, a huge coffee bean. So I got this couple of days back. I couldn't shoot it and I didn't open it. I saw the bean, but I didn't actually open it and feel it and see that. I want to do an unboxing here, but I was a little curious and I did, I had to take it out and see and how it looks like. So let's see how it actually feels like and smells like, and I'm going to review. I'm really excited to do this because it's something different from what we use as a bars. So this is the box, guys. I actually opened it because I was really curious, as I said. But I didn't open the actual one. So I thought when I saw this, oh my god, this is very big. But actually the packaging, they do it really big because for the safety of the product. But I didn't expect this to be really small because the price I paid is a little high for a bar of soap. So let's see. So this is how it looks like. You can see it's not even the size of my hand. It's really tiny. This is from the brand called Mcaffeine. So it's a naked and raw cappuccino coffee bathing bar, and you get 100 grams of product. That is 3.5 ounce. So all the ingredients are here. I'm gonna put it here because I don't want to read it because it's gonna be really long if I read it. So there is a direction for use and all that. Engineered in India. It's nice. Okay, so what it does is bean me up. Nice. And there's a lot of things here. Let's no things are here, which is nice. So a lot of information. This is how it's gonna look like. Oh yeah, here. So it's actually a coffee bean shaped bar. So it's not a clickbait, guys, what I have showed on my thumbnail. It's actually a bean shaped coffee bar. Oh my god, it smells so good. I wish this smell lingers around longer time. Then it's a really win-win thing. It's very tiny. Then I think like normal bars also come in the same shape, but you don't get this line. That's what I felt after seeing this, because I thought, Prasanna, you shouldn't have spent so much money on this. But it smells like coffee for sure. Oh, I feel that cappuccino. I really want to eat it. They have mentioned it on this not consume. There will be people like me who will get like tempted, so they said don't consume it. Woo. Okay, it's nice. But I'm not going to tell you the review of this right now. I want to use it a couple of times at least, and then tell you guys how it feels like, it's worth it or no. As it's a new launch, they just to motivate us to buy things, they are giving a bean tray. That is what they call. It's a soap tray, like, so that you can put this like that. Ooh, fancy. This is not that of a great quality. I don't know, still the offer is going on that when if you buy this, you're gonna get this tray. It's already chipping off, and if the quality is not good, I don't think so. So okay, I got it for free, so I don't complain it. It's okay for me. But it was quite expensive, I thought, like, after buying it. But let's see, let's try. So I'll meet you after 3-4 days and I'll let you guys know the whole thing. Oh, so I'm back with it with you guys. So I used it for a while, like 3-4 times for now, like 4 times for now. So I think it's a good time to tell you about this product completely. So I'm gonna put pros here and cons here so that you guys can figure it out. So let's start. Pros comes to, like, when you shower with this, and oh my god, it's very refreshing after a long day, or if you're going to have a long day and you're feeling a little lazy, try this bar. It's gonna refresh the whole thing. It's gonna boost it. So that feeling when you use it is really nice. The smell is so good. so it's a really plus for me. Thing is, you know, there are no things, are so many of this, as I said, parabens free, sulfate free, SLF and all those. It's a vegan and it's made in India and a lot of things, so it's a really nice, and it's more on the natural side. Though I don't say it's 100% natural, for sure there are some chemicals in it, because the shelf life of this is 2 years. So yeah, so that's my next pro. The thing is, they have claimed so many things like polishes, tone skin, moisturizers. The polishing thing, I don't know much, maybe I need to use it more and see that. And tone skin, it's not that, you know, I don't think so. And moisturizers, yeah, it's an exfoliating bar, so these things can be very drying on your skin after you use it. Like immediately you feel like using a moisturizer, but this doesn't happen with this, so it's a good thing. Like it doesn't dry out, like its skin becomes a Sahara desert after using it, so it doesn't happen, so it's a good thing. So claim is somewhere, you know, acceptable. So that is the, so with this we sum up the pros, and the cons are, it's very expensive, guys. Oh my god, like 300 for exfoliating bar or soap is like too much for me. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's a really expensive for me. So yeah, I think the cost should be a little less. I know they're saying it's rich, it's natural, so it's expensive. Maybe that, like, they're gonna say something like that, but still I think it's a, but it's exfoliating bar. You don't use it every day, because we don't exfoliate your skin every day. Once or twice is more than enough, so it's gonna last quite a bit. So it's kind of okayish, but the price is really not okay for me. So that's the first one. And the next one is the smell doesn't linger for a longer time. That's a little disappointing for me. I expected the smell should last really a little bit longer, but after shower it's like 10 minutes also. I don't know. It's next con is, like, you know guys, it melts. Even if a drop of water falls onto the bar, it melts. So it doesn't, I think it's not gonna stay for really long time, because it's melting like real quick. So that was all the cons which I have. So hope this was helpful. These are the pros and these are the cons. You guys decide and figure it out, and if you want to buy it, buy it. If you like it, let me know how was your experience with this bar. So, and a quick disclaimer, guys, what works for me may not work for you, and what works for you may not work for me. Everybody is different, everyone is different. So please do a test or something like that. And it's mostly on the natural side, but the natural ingredients may also irritate your skin. It depends upon your skin, so make sure you try it and be safe. That was my take on today's video, guys. Hope you like it, hope you enjoyed it, hope it was helpful. So I'll meet you in another video, and you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe.